aptitude part, we are going to discuss a wonderful topic, that is averages. So, what do you mean by average? According to your own knowledge. According to 10th class, we have so many different type of models, right? But we should not consider those basic models because we are going to crack SCC CGL Tier 1 level exam, right? That's why your intelligence should be more. So don't compare with the schooling knowledge, okay? Let's go for a small question. Try to answer the question first. 20, 30, 40, 80, let's say one more question, one more number, 90. These are the given numbers. How to find the average of all these numbers? Very simple, right? According to our own knowledge or 10th class knowledge. What do you mean by average? Average is nothing but sum by numbers, right? Okay, we need to take sum of all the numbers and divide it by number of terms, right? That's the main issue here. Okay, how to find the sum, you know? Very simple. 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 80 plus 90 divided by how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. So this is the story of what? Average. Okay, this is the basic knowledge that actually we have, right? Of course, everybody can do in this way only, sir. Yes or no? Yes, everybody can do this in this way only. But what is your specialty? That's another issue, right? Okay, we'll discuss it later. First of all, we add these all numbers, right? 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 80. So 170, 170 plus 90. It will be 260, right? Yeah. 260 divided by 5 terms will be there. Okay, 260 divided by 5. How to add the numbers actually? According to our 10th class, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, you have place digits, right? But need not to go for the childish procedure. Okay? Don't go for unit place and tens place. Directly you can add the numbers, right? 20 plus 30 will be 50. 50 plus 40, 90. 90 plus 90 will be 180. 180 plus 80 will be again 260. Yes or no? Yes. How to cancel the number? That is very important, right? Yes. Of course, we need to take like this, just like childish procedure. 260 divided by 5. 5 table should be, 260 should be divided by 5, right? Division procedure will be there, but it is childish procedure. Don't go for this procedure. Directly you take the value like this, right? Into 2 by 2 will be best option. Why into 2 by 2? It can become 5 to the 10, right? The denominator part can be 10. 0 will be there. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 26 will be double. That's it. 5 2s are 10, 10, 0 cancelled. 26 double will be your answer, right? That will be 52. Yes, I got that. Yes, 52. This is a story of average in basic method. But what is your specialty? Don't do like this, right? How to get the answer easiest way? That's my intention. Okay, don't do in this childish question. Avoid it. First of all, we need to understand the exact concept of average. What do you mean by average? Average is nothing but every number is equated. That is the main story we have. Okay. Every number is equated. For an example, if you have 5 numbers, right? How to equate them actually? Of course, so many different numbers are there. How can we equate? Sir, take any number as your wish. Take a particular middle number as average. Then we can equate them to equate all terms to the particular number. Right? That's my intention. Okay, fine. 20, 30, 40, 80, 90. What is the smallest number we have? 20. What is the biggest number we have? 80, right? 90, right? So that's why take any particular middle number as average. Okay. My intention is I can take 60 as average. It may be right or wrong, that is another issue. But my intention is what? If I take 60 as a particular average value, few numbers will be low, few numbers will be more, right? So that's why it's better to take 60 as an average, temporary average, not exact average. Okay, right. If it is 60, so 20, how much short to for 60? 40 short, right? Yes, minus 40. 30 means minus 30. 30 short. Minus means what? Short. Now what about 40? It will be 20 short. The same way if you observe 80, when you compare to 60, yes, 20 will be more. That's why plus 20 will be there. Good. And after that, what about 90? 90 means it is 30 extra for a particular 60. 60 is nothing but temporary average. Okay? Right, good. Yes, plus 30 will be there. So we need to understand the extent and below values because we need to equate every number, right? That's my intention. Okay, if you go for 60, 40 low, 30 low, 20 low, 20 above, 30 above. If you observe clearly, plus 20 minus 30 gone. Because it is low value, there is more value, right? That's why you can cancel it. 30 gone. Then what about the extra value? Minus 40. Yes, we have minus 40 as a particular below value. This minus 40 should be distributed for all 5 terms. That's it. Minus 40 divided by 5 will be what? Minus 8. Okay. Minus 8. So logically 60 is the extra value. We have taken 8 extra, right? That's why that should be separate. That's it. Okay. 60 minus 8 will be 52. That will be your answer. If you go for general approach, everybody can do in that way only, right? And what is your specialty? You have more intelligence. That's my intention, okay? Training cost, I think you got the particular idea, right? So let's go for one more question for your comfort. Okay, this can be taken as model number 1. Let's go for model number 2. So I'll give one more question. Try to give the answer for this question. Right? 120, 120, 130, 100, let's take 80, x. These are the given numbers. The missing number is x. Right? So their average is given as. Let's take 110. The average is given as what? 110. Then find the xy. That is the question here. According to your basic approach, what is your connection to the particular problem? But don't waste your time by using the particular formula procedures. Right? We need to increase your intelligence level. That's my intention. That is the main intention of easy BTech. Okay? Anyway, 120, 130, 180 plus x. The average is given as what? 110. According to the formula, average is nothing but sum by numbers. Right. Average is nothing but sum by numbers. Right? So in the place of average, he has given 110. Yes or no? So that's why 110 is equal to, because average is equal to sum. Sum means what? 120 plus 130 plus 100 plus 80 plus x divided by how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. Yes. Okay, this 5 should be multiplied to this number. This is what basic approach. It is only for children, not for graduate level candidates. Okay, unique as we can multiply. So 5 into 100 plus 10 will be there. 500 plus 10, 510. That will be the answer. 510 is equal to. We need to add all the numbers and plus x will be there. So 5 should be multiplied to 110, right? Yes, we got 510 as answer. Next, after that, not 510, actually 550 is the answer. Right? 500s plus 510s will be there. 550 is the answer. Okay, not answer, the temporary value. Let's go for the calculation now. 120 plus 130 will be 100, 100 will be there, 100 will be there. Of course, here 20 extra is there, that should be added to 80, right? 80 plus 120 it will be 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 300 plus 130, 430. Yes or no? 430 plus x will be there. So logically, the final story is what here? 550 is equal to 430 plus x will be there. Now we need to go for x value, right? That is the basic story here. We need to get the x value. How to get the x value? X will be here. I want x only. 430 will be subtracted. 550 minus 430 is equal to x. This is a story. Right? It is only for children because everybody can do in this way only. Even PhD candidate also can do in this way. What is your specialty? That's my intention. Not specialty, based on universal fact. How to crack every question with your own intelligence. Don't depend on that particular rules and regulations. Okay? Anyway, get the answer now. 50 minus 30 will be 20. 500 minus 120. 120 will be your answer. Right? X value will be what here? 120. Good. So 120 can be your x value. This is a story of what? How to find the missing term. Yes, whatever. We don't know the particular answers. But we need to concentrate on the procedure. Right? This is what basic approach we have in our average topic. Right? But I need to get the answer in easiest way with your intelligence. That's my intention. Anyway, let's go for the story now. I'll give one more particular way. How to get the answer in easy way. That's my intention. Don't depend on these basic approaches. Okay? The total average is given as what? 110. What do you mean by 110? Every number is equated to 110, right? The same way, it should be 110 only. What do you mean by average? Average is nothing but each number is equated. Yes, average is nothing but not sum by numbers. That is what to get the answer in a basic way. The meaning of average is what? Each number is equated, not sum by numbers. Sum by numbers is the format. It is not average. Okay? Average means what? Every number is equated. Okay, the missing number can be x, but he has given average is what? 110. That's why the missing number can be taken as 110. Yes. I got one particular story behind it. Listen carefully. Yes, the missing number can be 110. My assumption. 110 is a missing number. Okay? Right, if 110 is a missing number, every number should be equated to 110 only because he has given the answer as 110, right? Okay. Every number should be equated to 110. So that's why it is how much extra for 110? Plus 10 extra. Here it is plus 20 extra. Then what about 100? It is 10 short, not extra. 10 short. Yes. Then what about 80? 80 means it is also short. How much short? That's my intention. So 30 short, right? Good. 30 short. Nice. Then what about this 110? It is 0 extra and 0 low. Because we have taken it as 110. The missing number should be 110. That's my intention. Okay, because the average is given as 110 because every number is equated to 110 only. That's my intention. Yes, I can go for that one only. Yes, observe the particular extent below values. 10, 10 gone, right? Plus 10, minus 10 gone. Then what about remaining? Plus 20 is there, minus 30 is there. Minus 30 plus 20 means what? Minus 10. Yeah. I got the story. If I take the missing number as 110, according to the given average, I'm getting 10 short. Okay. My assumed number is wrong. That 110 should be changed, right? Okay, I got the story. Okay, if I assume the particular missing number as 110, but I'm getting 10 as short value. That's why the 10 should be added because it is short. We have taken 10 short to 110. That's why 110 minus 10 should be added. That's why answer will be 120. Very simple story, right? So make it simple. Be intelligent. Don't waste your time by using the formulas. Because you need to get the job for sure, right? That's my intention, okay? But strongly believe in universal facts, not for a dramatic situation or a dance or another combination. Okay? Let's go for the universal fact. Based on universal fact, how to increase your intelligence. That's my intention. Get ready, heroes. Let's go for next question. Now we need to go for the model number 3. We have discussed model number 1. What do you mean by model number 1? Model number is nothing but how to find the average of the given numbers. So what about model number 2? Model number 2 means what? How to find the missing term. And let's go for model number 3. Very important question. Right? Listen carefully. Here, total in the classroom, 48 members are there. In the class, we have 48 members. Right? Or else if you go for one more condition also. Let's say one particular different numbers. Not 48 members. 48 different numbers are there. Their average is given as. Number of terms will be 48. Their average is given as. 53. Understand the logic behind it. The question is very important, right? Total number of terms will be 48 and their average is given as what? 48. But the condition is what? If each number is increased by 3, then find the new average. That is the question here. And find the new average. Very simple, right? How many total terms are there here? 48 terms are there. Total average is given as what? 53. 48 numbers average is given as 53. If each number is increased by 3, then find the new average. That is the question here. Right? How to connect with that particular question? Very simple. According to the given condition, very important. According to the given condition, number of terms are given, average is given. Then what about sum? So for define the sum, right? So sum means what? Average is nothing but sum by numbers. So I need to get sum. To get sum is equal to average into numbers, right? This is a story we have. Yes or no? That's why I need to go for sum. So if you go for sum, 48 into 53 will be there. Actually, we don't know the particular numbers, right? We don't know the particular number of terms also. Number of terms means what? 40 terms are there, of course. But we don't know the exact particular value of the particular number, right? So that's why we can take it as x1, x2, x3 something. Okay, x1, x2, x3. This is a basic approach here. Up to x48. Yes, total 48 terms are there, right? x48. Okay, fine, sir. Then how to get the answer in this way? That is your intention, right? Very simple. That is another issue. First of all, you need to understand the basic concept. After that, we can go for the logical. Okay? Right. According to the given condition, total number of terms will be 48 and their average is 53. According to the condition, sum is nothing but average into numbers, right? Okay, fine. These are the given numbers, 48 terms. And then sum should be average into number. Means 48 into number of terms, 48 into 53 will be total sum, right? Yes or no? Average numbers will be total sum. This total sum should be what? The sum of all numbers. Yes, the sum of all numbers means what? x1 plus x2 plus up to dash plus x48 divided by, or else if you go for the sum directly, x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to dash, the total sum value will be 48 into 53, right? This is a given condition we have. Of course, and we don't know the number of terms and sum of terms, but we need to multiply these two numbers, right, to get the total sum. After that, what we need to do? Each number should be increased by 3 again. That is the main issue. Okay, first of all, we need to go for multiplication. 48 into 53, how to multiply these two numbers? So according to the basic approach, school procedure, 48 into 53. Come on, 3 8s are 24 to carry on. 4 3s are 12, 5 8s are 40. 12 plus 40, 52. 52 plus 2 will be 54. Yes, I got 54. Means 5 would be carry over. After 5 4s are 20 plus 5, 25. 4 5s are 20 plus 5, 25. 2 5, double 4. Yes. This total sum can be what? x1 plus x2 plus total value we can directly we can take it 2544. I can write it there. 2544 can be the total sum of all 48 terms. Right. But the given condition is what? Each number should be increased by 3. That is the main condition, right? Okay, each number should be increased by 3. Fine. We need to add like this. Listen carefully now. Very important story. Plus 3 should be added, plus 3 should be added, plus 3 should be added to every number, right? So logically, if you observe it clearly, 2544 can be taken as the present value, right? But each number should be increased by 3 means what? How many 3s we need to add? 48 3s, right? Yes. 48 into 3 should be added to the already 2544 is a given sum, right? So, but we need to increase 48 into 3 times. Yes or no? Logically, this 48 into 3 should be added to the 2544 value. Then we can get the total sum. Now after that, we can go for another average concept. Okay. So logically, number of terms 48, average will be 53. Sum will be average into numbers. So average number value can be 2544. What do you mean with this 2544? Each number should be added. That's why x1 plus up to dash x48. Sum of all 48 terms, total value 2544. Clear? So if each number should be increased by 3 means what? 43 should be added, right? 48 3s are. That should be added. Yes. 3 into 40, 120, 3 8s are 24. 120 plus 24 will be what? 144. Extra 144 should be added to what? 2544, right? Okay, we can add directly. 3 40s are 120, 3 8s are 24. 120 plus 24 is what? 144. That should be added to 2544. Okay, make it strong. Don't become a illogical hero, right? We want logical hero. Based on Unosify, have to get the answer with your intelligence. That's my intention. Okay, get ready. No problem. Yes, we can add it, right? 4 plus 4, 8. According to 10th class or 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, that is the story we are actually. Okay, no problem. We can do it. 4 plus 4 again 8. And after that, 5 plus 1 will be 6. 2, 6, 8, 8. Yes, we got the new sum as 2, 6, 8, 8. Sum of all terms will be actually 2544, but we need to add extra 144 to increase each number by 3, right? That's my intention. So we got new sum as what? 2, 6, 8, 8. But I don't want new sum actually. I want new average, right? Find the new average. Each number is increased by 3. That's why I need to get new average, right? That's my intention. Okay, no problem. We can do it. First of all, new sum is going to go 2, 6, 8, 8. This 2, 6, 8, 8 can be what? The new sum. But there is no change in number of terms, right? There is no change in number of terms. Okay. Always 48 is a common value. Each number is increased by 3, not the number values. The number of terms will be 48 only. The number value can be plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. That is not issue. There is no change in number of terms, right? That's my story. Okay, no problem. 2, 6, 8 is the new sum divided by how many terms will be there? 48 is common value. Yes, now we need to go for the answer. This is the new present average. If each number is increased by 3, we need to find the new average, right? Okay, fine. 2, 6, 8 can be the new sum. First of all, understand one logic here. x1 plus up to x48 total sum can be 2544. How we got this 2544? Because number of terms will be 48. 48 into 53 will be 48 into 53 will be 2544. Yes, we got the sum. And after that, we need to increase each number by 3. Yes or no? Yes, we have increased. 48 into 3 will be 144. This 144 should be added to 544. 2688. Right. After getting 2688, what we need to find? I need to find the new average. Okay, we got new sum 2688. But 48 terms will be there. There is no change in number of terms. There will be a change in the value of particular term, but there is no change in number of terms. 48 will be fixed. Yes, we need to get the answer. Come on, 2688 divided by 45. Very difficult story, right? Okay, no problem. Easily we can cancel the other issue. Okay, no problem. So answer will be 5 times and as well as 6 times. 56 can be our answer, right? Yeah, you will have one doubt, right? How to get the answer in easiest way, sir? We don't know the division part. How can you do it? It is only for kids. You are not kids, right? You all are what? Almost graduates. Need not to go for the childish procedure. This is what childish procedure. Don't use this story, right? Here the main thing is what we need to multiply these two numbers. After getting sum, we need to increase each number by 3, and after that we need to add the particular value to 2544, and we can get new sum as 2688. After that 2688 divided by 40 will be 56. Very time wasting story, right? Don't do like this. You are not an intelligent. You are the ordinary student. You are unfit for SSC CGL Tier 1. So that's why don't use these formulas, okay? I want the intelligent way, how to get intelligent way. How to get the answer in plain way? That's my intention, right? So total terms can be 48. The given average is what? 43, right? Yes, total terms can be 48. The given average is what? 53. Yes or no? But each number is increased by 3. Yes or no? Yes. Total how many terms are there here? 48 terms are there. Their average is given as what? 53. But the given condition is what? Each number is increased by 3. Okay. If each number is increased by 3, logically, average should be increased by 3. Yes or no? The answer should be in single step. That's it. Okay. If each number is increased by 3 means what? The value is changed. Right? The given condition is what? Number of terms will be 48. The average is given as 53. Each number should be increased by 3. Yes or no? Yes, each number should be increased by 3. So logically, average should be increased by 3. That is called universal fact. So what is the reason behind it? Average is nothing but each number is equated, right? If each number is equated, average will be same. Each number is equated means what? The average is common, right? So that's why if each number is increased by 3, logically average can be increased by 3 for sure. That's it. If each number is increased by 3, the present average will be increased by 3. Answer will be 56. Very simple story. Simple concept. Single step answer actually. Okay, sir. Nice. So if you have the particular condition like this, number of terms will be 73. Whatever we don't want. Number of terms will be 73. Their average is given as 50.4. 50.4. If each number is subtracted by 1, what is the new average? That will be your question, right? So what? If each number is increased by 3, the present average will be increased by 3. If each number is subtracted by 1, the present average will be subtracted by 1. That's why the new average can be minus 1 answer. 49.4 will be your answer. That's it. Yes. Just write down the condition. If each number is increased by particular number, the average will be increased by same number. If each number is decreased by a particular number, same average can be decreased by same number. Right? Just we'll have one more doubt. I'll give one more question. Actually, we are going to discuss all 3 basic models. After that, we will go for the original stuff. Okay? So this is a story of what? Averages. Right? Need not to worry. Okay? The basics are very important in average. First model is what? How to find the average for the given numbers. Second model is what? How to find the missing term without formula. Third model is what? If each number is increased by the particular number, so average will be increased by the same number. If each number is decreased by the particular number, the average will be decreased by the same number. That is the story here. Of course, we'll have one more doubt here. Number of terms are not important actually. So number of terms will be 78 and their average is given as 83. Okay, number of terms will be what? 78. Their average is given as what? 83. The condition is what? If each number is multiplied by 2. If each number is multiplied by 2. In the previous model, what we have? Each number is increased by 2 or each number is decreased by 2. But here what we have? Each number is multiplied by 2. Okay, if each number is multiplied by 2, then what is the new average? That will be your question, right? Very simple. The given condition is very important. If each number is multiplied by 2 means what? The average will be multiplied by 2. That's it. Nothing is there. Answer will be 83 into 2. That's it. Each number is multiplied by 2. Average will be multiplied by 2. That's it. 83 into 2 times. That's it. 80 will be 160. 3 2 is 6. 186. 80. So 160. 160 plus 3 2 is 6. Logically 166 will be the answer, right? That's it. Single step answer. So be an intelligent. Don't waste your time by using the particular formulas. That is called childish procedure. Okay? Anyway, we got the 3 models, right? In averages. Model number 1. How to find the average for the given numbers. Model number 2. How to find the missing term. So model number 3. If each number is multiplied by 2, average will be multiplied by 2. Or if each number is increased by 3, average will be increased by 3. Whatever the story we have, the given condition is very important. It may be multiplication, addition, division, even division also. If each number is divided by 2, then average will be divided by 2, right? That's it. These are the 3 basic models of averages. Then every question will be solved for sure by using these particular conditions only. Okay, but don't use the formula. Don't waste your time. Okay. So this is a story of what? Average introduction. So let's go for the next question.